Hello everyone, my name is Afrizal Pratama, and in this video I wanna talking about question and answer explanation from English material that I have learned from Mom Yesi Mulyani. So we move to the first question, and in this part we're talking about the question is about preposition. The first question: Johnny is having dinner, New York. So for answering this question, we must choose from the preposition in, on, or at. So on the first question, we can answer it with the in, because preposition in is used with the part of town, cities, and country. So it's almost like general places. So the answer for the first question is Johnny is having dinner in New York. Okay, the question number 2, why are you blah 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 Chinatown right now? So the answer for the second question is why are you in Chinatown right now? Because Chinatown is the part of cities, so we use in. Okay, we move to question number 3. Question number 3 is I live blah 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 Central Jakarta. It's same like the questions before. So in this question we can answer it with the preposition in. So I live in Central Jakarta, because in is used with the part of town, because Jakarta is the part of town or cities, so we use preposition in. Okay, we move to number 4. Number 4 is Joko is blah 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 the helicopter. So for answering this question we can use preposition in, because preposition in is also used with transportation that you can stand up. So because we can stand up on a helicopter, so in this question we can answer it with the preposition in. Okay, we move to number 5. She lives blah 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 Antasari Street near the mosque. So in this question we can answer it with the preposition on, because the preposition on is used with street and avenues without number, so it's less detail but is contain the street name. Okay, so the answer for the 5th question is she lives on Antasari Street near the mosque. Okay, we continue to number 6. Johnny put the apple blah 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 the table. Okay, so for this question we can answer it with the preposition on, because preposition on is also used with the surface, because the table is the surface, so we can put the preposition on in this sentence. So the answer is Johnny put the apple on the table. Number 7. My sister dropped the ice cream blah 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 the floor. So because the floor is the surface, so we can complete the sentence with preposition on. So the answer is my sister dropped the ice cream on the floor. Number 8. How can this ant is blah 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 this table? So because this table is the surface, so we can also use the preposition on. So the answer is how can this ant is on this table. Number 9. Johnny lives blah 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 66 Melati Street. So in this sentence we can see that the street is contain a very specific place, so we can use the preposition at. So the answer is Johnny lives at 66 Melati Street. Number 10. There is a good restaurant blah 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 24 Rose Street. So in this question, because the street is very specific, so we can use the preposition at. So the answer is there is a good restaurant at 24 Rose Street. Number 11. Winda is happy to be blah 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 the museum. So because the museum here is the place that specific, so we can also use the preposition at. So the answer is Winda is happy to be at the museum. Number 12. Asia is visiting her grandmother's house blah 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 99 Veteran Street. So same like before, in this sentence the street is very specific with the number, so we use preposition at. So the answer is Asia is visiting her grandmother's house at 99 Veteran Street. Okay, we continue to the next part of possessive adjective. So in this part, we can choose the correct words to complete the sentence. So question number 12, So question number 13, who is we or our or us teachers? So the correct words to complete this sentence is who is our teachers. Okay, number 14, where is I or me or my laptop? So the correct words to complete the sentence is where is my laptop? Number 15, Johnny likes she or her cat. So the correct answer for this sentence is Johnny likes her cat. Okay, number 16, I or me or my wife and I want to go dinner. So the correct word for completing the sentence is my. So the sentence will become my wife and I want to go dinner. Number 17, they or they brother sleeps in the hotel. So the correct word is their. So the sentence will become their brother sleeps in the hotel. Okay, we move to the next part, that is question words. So in this part, we can choose the right question words to complete the sentence. Number 18, blah 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 are you doing in the park? So question word that suit on this sentence is what, because what is used to ask subject, object or activities. Okay, we next to number 19, blah 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 has broken this plate. Okay, the question word that suit for this sentence is who, because who is used to ask a subject that refer to someone or person. So the sentence will be who has broken this plate. Okay, continue to number 20, blah 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 is better between novels and comics. So for this question, the right question word is which, because which is used to ask about choices, because this is the choices between novels and comics, so we use which. So the sentence become which is better between novels and comics. Number 21, blah 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 didn't you come to work yesterday? So in this sentence we can use question word that is why, because why is used to ask about reason. So the sentence will be why didn't you come to work yesterday? Number 22, blah 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 is the location of the Unila library. So because this sentence is asking about location, so we can use where. So the sentence will be where is the location of the Unila library. Okay, continue to number 23, blah 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 was the last time you ate meatballs. Okay, because this sentence is asking about time, so we can use when. So the sentence will be when was the last time you ate meatballs. Number 25, blah 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 much is this watermelon? So because this question is asking about the price, so we can use how. So the sentence will be how much is this watermelon? So we move to the next part of question, and that is plural. So number 25, I have 2 cats. So because cat is a regular plural, so we can adding the single s at the end of cat. So the answer for this sentence is cats with single s. Number 26, the garden has 10 lights. It same like before, so we adding the single s after the light, so it become the lights. Number 27, Johnny tunes 2 radio together. So it's 2 is plural, so the radio is become radios with a single s because it's regular plural. Number 28, Joko took 2 bus to go to Jakarta. So for the sentence, bus is in plural, we can adding the es, so it become buses. Joko took, so the answer will be Joko took 2 buses to go to Jakarta. Number 29, she takes 5 class in 1 semester. So class in plural sentence, we can adding the es same like buses, so it become classes. She takes 5 classes in 1 semester. Okay. Number 30, I got 100 of candy on Halloween. For candy we can adding the IES, so it's become candies. We replace the Y with the A. So I got 100 of candies on Halloween. Number 31, the city were drowned by the tsunami. So because it's plural, so we change the Y with I and we're adding the ES, so it becomes cities. The cities were drowned by the tsunami. Number 32, this is a place for child to play. So because in this sentence child is plural, so we change child to children. So it becomes this is a place for children to play. So in irregular plural, it doesn't have a certain pattern like in regular plural. Number 33, I got 7 fish from fishing today. So fish in plural is also fish. It's not changing. Okay, number 34, the men are discussing. Because the men here is plural, so the men with A is changing with E. So it's become the men are discussing. Number 35, the sheep was chased by 2 wolves. Okay, wolf in plural we can change with wolves with the VES. So the F is changing with the V, so it's become wolf. The sheep was chased by 2 wolves. Okay, we continue to the next part of question, and that is tenses. Okay, in this part of question we have to determine the tense of the following sentence. Number 36, Johnny learned English. So this is the simple present tense sentence because it's talking about the present time. Number 37, he is learning English now. So in this sentence is the present continuous tense because it's talking about the present time, but it's adding the ing after the verb. Number 38, they have seen the movie. The sentence is present perfect tense. It's because the verb is using the verb 3. Number 39, they called their families last night. And this is the simple past tense because it's talking about the past time. Okay, number 14, Johnny was washing clothes during the online classes. This is the past continuous tense. It's because the sentence is using was and have addition ing after the verb. We continue to the next part of question, and that is countable and uncountable nouns. In this part of question, we have to determine whether the following sentences are countable nouns or uncountable nouns. Number 41, I had a bowl of rice for lunch. It is uncountable sentence because the rice is uncountable. We cannot count the rice one by one because it's too much. Number 42, Johnny bought a bag of candy. It's uncountable too because the candy is not countable. Number 43, he is reading a newspaper. It is countable because the newspaper is only one and we can count on that. Number 44, I borrowed 2 books from library. This sentence is countable because the books are countable. Okay, we move to the next part of question, and that is verb. In this part of question, we have to choose the correct verb to complete the sentence. Number 46, where does Johnny come or is Johnny come from? So the right verb to complete the sentence is where does Johnny come? So the complete sentence will become where does Johnny come from? Okay. Number 47, I'm learning or I learn or I'm learn 2 language. So for this sentence we can complete it with I learn. So the sentence will become I learn 2 language. Number 48, Johnny has or is having or have a breakfast. The correct verb to complete the sentence is having. So the sentence will become Johnny is having a breakfast. Number 49, you don't smoke or smoke not or no smoke. So the right answer for this sentence is don't smoke. So the sentence will become you don't smoke, Okay, the last one is Johnny went or go or was go to New York on holiday. So the right verb to complete the sentence is went. So the sentence will become Johnny went to New York on holiday. Okay, so that's it. That's enough for my question and answer explanation about the English material that I have learned. I'm sorry for the mistakes and thank you for your attention.